Today we are going to find the a value from this equation now. Solution: 2 to the power of a into 2 to the power of a into 2 to the power of a equal to 20. We are going to apply the formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n into a to the power of b equal to a to the power of m plus n plus b. This we are going to apply here. 2 to the power of a plus a plus a equal to 20. This is 2 to the power of 3a equal to 20. Take log on both sides. Log 2 to the power of 3a equal to log 20. We are going to apply power log formula. Log m power p equal to p log m. This is now 3a log 2 equal to log 20. Divide by log 2 on both sides. 3a log 2 by log 2 equal to log 20 by log 2. This cancels this. 3a equal to log 20 by log 2. 20 can written as 2 into 10. Now 3a equal to log 2 into 10 by log 2. We are going to apply this formula. Log mn equal to log m plus log n. So 3a equal to log 2 plus log 10 by log 2. Now 3a equal to log 2 by log 2 log 10 by log 2. So 3a equal to, this cancels this, to 1 plus log 10 by log 2. 10 can written as 2 into 5. So 1 plus log 2 into 5 by log 2. Log m into n equal to log m plus log n. We are going to apply this. So 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. Now 1 plus log 2 by log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. This log 2 cancels this. So 1 plus 1 plus log 5 by log 2. So 3a equal to 2 plus log 5 log 2. Log a by log b equal to log a base b. 3a equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2. So a equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2 by 3. So a equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2 by 3. This is the A. We are going to verify now. To check, 2 to the power of A into 2 to the power of A into 2 to the power of A equal to 20. 2 to the power of 3A equal to 20. A value is 2 plus log 5 base 2 by 3. We are going to apply here 2 to the power of 3, 2 plus log 5 base 2 by 3 equal to 20. This 3 cancels this. So 2 to the power of 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 20. We are going to apply this formula. A to the power of m plus n equal to A to the power of m into A to the power of n. 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 equal to 20. We know the formula that A to the power of log b base A equal to b. So 2 to the power of 2, 5 equal to 20. 4 into 5 equal to 20. So 20 equal to 20. So LHS, RHS. Thus proved.